Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the Proline Pro MT 4x4. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know what electrics I have in there. I've got the Hobbywing motor and XR8 ESC. We're going to be trying it out on 3S and 4S only. I will not be attempting a 6S run. This is not a speed car, and I very much doubt that I would get any more speed out of running it on 6S than I would on 4S, purely because it's just impossible to keep the power down. So they're the only two batches we're going to be running, and yeah, let's find out how fast this thing actually is. Alrighty, so here we are. First run, the Pro MT 4x4, brand spanking new, hasn't been off-road yet. Let's see what we can do, Noah. 3S. Oof. How much, sorry? 61. That is pretty quick. That is running the provided pinion. Thank you, Noah. That's running the provided pinion, so no extra gearing necessary to get adequate speed out of this beast. Look at that, the tires are still all nice and shiny. Everything is still all brand new. Alright, Noah, here we go. Clear behind me?
Yeah.
Here we go, second pass. '61 again. Yeah, I'll tell you what, that is ample speed for Deadpool to get around and do what he needs to do. That is ample speed. Seems to be pretty steady as well, so I'm hoping that I can hold this on 4S. Clear behind me?
Yeah.
Here we go, so third pass. 61 three times. There we are, 61 kilometers an hour. Our GPS says 62. How about that? Can I actually get a reading out of that? There we go, we can see that perfect. 62 k's an hour. That is stock, well, with the stock pinion anyway, on 3 cell. Let's see how crazy it gets on 4S. Alright, so we are zeroed out on the GPS. We've got our 4S battery in there. Let's see how we do. I gotta say, for a non-censored system, it is very, very smooth. Very smooth indeed. Alright, we are way out there. Noah, are we ready?
Yeah.
Clear behind me?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, here we go. Whee! How much? 70, and I couldn't keep it down. 70 and I couldn't keep it down. Alright, let's try that again. Can you do me a favor? Can you actually stand on the footpath? Like, just on the edge, but just on the footpath. On the edge of the footpath. Yeah, just in case the truck comes towards you, that's all. Alright, let's go again. Let's see if I can do this. I'll try and hold it as best as I can. Oh, car's coming. Here we go, Noah. Alright, I managed to hold it down. How much? 72? Well, I was able to keep it floored all the way. So that's interesting. What does our GPS say? Our GPS says 80. Can I actually get a reading on that? There it is, it says 80. So I was able to hold it down past the radar gun and keep it straight. So let's try and see if we can register that on the radar gun. No one behind us. Alright, let's go again. I'm gonna go out a little bit further, Noah. I'll see if I can get 80 picked up on the radar gun. Well, I'm way out there. Clear behind me?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. How much?
77.
77. But I did manage to keep it down. 77 on the radar gun. We still have one more pass to go, 83 on the GPS. So we're doing pretty good. Seems like I'm holding it. Sorry, the camera's a little bit all over the place because that learner driver's doing laps and I just don't want to drive my beautiful brand new MT straight into the underside of that bloody Corolla, whatever it is they're driving. All right, here we go. Last pass, Noah. Can we crack 80 on the radar gun? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold, hold, hold. That's full speed. How much? 82 on the radar gun, so that's good. This thing is cooking. Now you know why I'm not even going to attempt 6S. 82 on the radar gun, that's beautiful. And on the GPS we have 86. Holy moly, this thing is cooking. 86 kilometers an hour. That's impressive. Stock pinion on 4S, that is very, very good. I think 6S would be absolutely insanity, and I would not be able to go any faster than that. I can almost guarantee you, because it would just lift the front end. It would be all over the place and I'd end up wrecking the truck. So I think I'm going to leave this one here. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the truck as well as links to its previous videos. Thank you again, and I'll speak to you all next time.